how to properly roast a chicken. I'm a brine guy. I got to tell you, brining
Always be
basically,
brining. Always be brining. It's a great
I
way to
like
live.
that. That's the way to go, in my opinion, right? And so real simple, y'all. If you guys just take a third cup of salt and a third cup of sugar and just a container that holds the chicken, most chickens are 3 to 5 pounds, anywhere from 1 hour to overnight. You can just set it and forget it and play with it tomorrow if you want to. But from the brine, I'll go onto a roasting pan here, and paper towels are your friends. Okay.
Yes.
What I like to do is make sure the outside is dry. And you know what? From there, it's totally kind of choose your own adventure. I like herbs. I'm kind of a traditional, old school guy. I like tarragon a lot, so we'll just put that in the cavity there. I'm shallots. I'm garlic. I'm parsley. And you know what? We keep hearing about this thing about trusting. Yes, us old stuffy chefs, we were taught how to trust as kids in culinary school, but there's an easier way. And my way is to take a little skewer. And then basically this holds it all in. Just take the skin from each side, and
that
it's
is
like
brilliant.
sewing. Yeah, man. I mean,
Wow.
look, you're just going in from one side to the other. You do a twist, a turn, and in like 3 moves, you've actually sealed the cavity of the bird. Boom, just like that, without having to do anything at
Amazing.
all. Very cool,
Woo!
right? And in the book, we talk about butter bath, y'all. Like everyone needs a butter bath. So I take some herbs from the garden.
Love
I make like I make a little like a little herb mop. Look at
Yeah,
that.
I do
And
that I do that on the grill too, Jack. Yeah, I tie the herbs to an old wooden spoon when I'm out by the grill and douse the herb oil, onto the steaks and stuff. That's brilliant. You're killing it.
that's so good. No, I love it. And then the last thing is, guys, separate your salt and pepper because you are touching chicken. And then, this is going into the oven at like 375, and I'm looking for golden brown GBD, golden brown delicious. I'm also looking for an internal temperature 165, and then I'm going to show you that I'm gonna cook the bird breast side down because I
Nice.
think all of the liquid accumulates down there, and that's how you get a juicy breast. So now you're like, how do I flip this over? It's scary. It does not need to be scary. Again, let's go back to those towels. You need a few layers on each side. We'll wad them up. Check it out. And then look, just come from the sides
Oh, cool.
gently, grab. And then I also use a little bit of tin foil sometimes as a little protector. This bird is
Nice.
ready. I'll finish it in in a broiler when I'm ready. This could actually just chill until your friends are coming over. You have a
Right,
cocktail
right.
or two, and if you're 5 minutes from eating, you're like, hey, okay, let's go into the broiler, and then magically in a few minutes you get a nice brown bird, just
Woo!
like that. And always keep your pan juices because you can chop some herbs, finish with a little butter, and you could either do a little juicy thingy here, or
Oh,
you
look
could
at that. Woo!
give everyone their own little situation if you want.
Oh,
But
yeah,
very,
that's a great
very, very
idea. And like a
simple,
little
y'all.
ramekin. Yeah.